Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch R-50PM wireless Bluetooth speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not connecting for any reason or not working for any reason, like they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not connecting with your device or the amplifier or anything like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of situations where you want to clear the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. It's very easy to do. First things first, the speakers should be on and the source should not be set to Bluetooth. So it can be to anything else. It can be to optical or analog or phono or whatever, as long as it's not to Bluetooth. Then we're just going to come in and press and hold this source volume button here. Just press and hold it. And while pressing and holding that button, we're going to come over to the controller and we're going to hit this button here, this reverse arrow button here. Once we hit that button, we should be able to release both of the buttons. The speaker should start to blink. It should blink for 10 seconds. After those 10 seconds, the reset is complete and you can go ahead and set these speakers up as a brand new set of speakers.